Good afternoon, students. So today we are going to start with our sixth lesson, Indian Air Force. The Royal Indian Air Force was established in British India in 1932. After India gained independence in 1947, it was renamed the Indian Air Force. Now, children, the Indian Air Force is the air arm of the Indian Armed Forces. Its primary mission is to secure Indian airspace and to conduct aerial warfare during armed conflict. The Indian Air Force was established on 8th October 1932 in British India as an auxiliary air force. It ranks fourth largest in the world. The President of India is the Supreme Commander of all Indian armed forces. There are 1,39,576 personnel in serving in the Indian Air Force. Organization of Air Force. The Indian Air Force has 7 commands, of which 5 are operational, 1 maintenance command and 1 training command. Now, which are the operational commands? That is Central Air Command, Eastern Air Command, Western Air Command, Southwestern Air Command, Southern Air Command. Now these are the ones that helps in operational tasks, like for example operational Kargil, or if any of the victims are trapped due to environmental condition, so to rescue them, so they help in all that task. Then comes sixth one, maintenance command. Headquarters is in Nagpur for maintenance, and the 7th one is training command, Bengaluru, for training. What is the role of Indian Air Force? Defend the nation's airspace, support the army and navy during war, protect the nation's interest outside its boundaries when the need arises, and the last one, rescue and relief operation during natural calamities. The aircrafts in Indian Air Force, let us know about it. Su-30 MKI. It is a twin-jet multi-role air superiority fighter developed by Russia, Sukhoi, and built under the license by India's Hindustan Aeronautics Limited for the Indian Air Force. It is a heavy, all-weather, long-range fighter. There are nearly 260 Su-30 MKIs. Su-30 MKIs is expected to form the backbone of the Indian Air Force's fighter fleet. Next is Mirage 2000. The Dassault Mirage 2000 is a French multi-role single-engine 4th generation jet fighter manufactured by Dassault Aviation. Now the information in your textbook, Mirage 2000, a single-seater air defense and multi-role fighter of French origin powered by a single engine. Third, MiG-29, twin-engine, single-seater air superiority fighter aircraft of Russian origin. MiG-29 is also called as Mikoyan MiG-29. As you know, it is a twin-engine jet fighter aircraft designed in the Soviet Union, developed by the Mikoyan Design Bureau as an air superiority fighter. It is better than any fighter in the close comfort, that is close combats. Next is MiG-27. MiG-27, single-engine, single-seater tactical strike fighter aircraft of Russian origin. MiG-27 is a variable sweep ground attack aircraft, originally ground attack aircraft built by the Mikoyan Gorechik. Next is MiG-21. MiG-21 is a supersonic jet fighter and interceptor aircraft. Indian Air Force operates 4 squadrons of MiG-21. Bison aircraft. A squadron has 16 to 18 fighter jets. The last of the upgraded MiG-21s are set to be phased out in the next 3 to 4 years. Single engine, single seater, multi-roller, fighter ground attack aircraft of Russian origin. Jaguar. The Sepcat Jaguar is an Anglo-French jet attack aircraft originally used by the British Royal Air Force and French Air Force in the close air support and nuclear strike role. It is still in service with the Indian Air Force. So students, today we have seen aircrafts in Indian Air Force. We have seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sets, and the next set we'll be seeing in our next session. Thank you for now.